As a small business owner running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or maybe TikTok, you might have been posting your product on your page without paying for ads, or just hoping the right customer might find you and patronize your business, and you are not getting enough views for your product. That's because the algorithm does not favor most businesses. Yes, small businesses precisely. The algorithm does not favor those small businesses. And what does the Facebook ones or the Instagram ones? They want the small businesses to pay, them in order for them to get the deserved outcome